So today, like we will be checking like configuring managed servers, how we can configure managed servers on remote machine. So right, like our current scenario is we discussed. So right now we have configured managed server and admin server on the same machine. But in like a real world scenario, what kind of you will be like installing managed server on different machines. So like you have 5 to 10 machines, so you will be having managed servers on all the machines, and they will be like working as a single unit. Like they will be working collaboratively and they will be communicating with each other. So how you do that? So we will check that today, because it will come into like whenever you need to install Weblogic on different server, or you need to extend your Weblogic domain to different server, which is like physically separate from your primary server A, then you need to approach using this method. Okay. So what we need to do exactly for that? So that will be so first question is like why we are doing this. We are doing this so that we are not dependent on one single server, right? Because in like production environment, you need to have your application available to user no matter what. And in our situation, like if we have like application installed on only one physical server, in case of any issues, our whole server will be down and our application will not be available to user. So we need to have like WebLogic installed onto multiple servers. So we have server A, we have server B, we have server C. These three are three different machines. So we have admin server and managed servers installed on machine A, and we have some other managed servers which are configured on machine B, and then we have some managed servers on machine C as well. So why we have that setup? So that even if machine A is down or even if machine B is down, at least one machine should be available for our application availability. Even if your one physical server is up, so you can say if your physical server A or B or C, if any one of the server is up and running, that means your application is available to the users. So am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes. Now we know the need, why we need to do this. Now we will learn how to do this. Okay. So what we need to do first, we need to create the domain on the node of the admin server. So that we have already created. First step is already done. We already have a domain. We already have an admin server. Now what we need to do is we need to initiate the pack command with the necessary options. So what is pack command? Pack command is basically, you can say it is an utility of WebLogic application server. And we use this utility. And why we use this utility? We use this utility to what is the meaning of pack basically? Pack is pack. It packs all your configuration in one single file. So whenever like you go to vacation, you pack all your stuff in a single box and you take it wherever you want, and then you unpack it there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the this utility also does the same thing. It packs all your configuration in a single box, or you can say a single jar file. Then you take this jar file to your destination server where you want to place it, and then you use the unpack utility, which is like which unpacks the whatever files or configuration files were there in the jar file which we took from the source server. It puts all the configuration on the destination server. Okay.
Okay.
So now we need to practically see how it works. Okay. So what I will do is, let's make Amit presenter. So Amit, what you need to do is just show me where you have installed Weblogic, and we will see what domain you have, because we need to have the same domain path what we have in Binod's server, and we will need your IP as well.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
And how do I share the screen?
Oh, Amit is not able to share his screen. Any idea why?
Didn't you used to send like a share request before?
Yeah, but actually there is no option.
Yeah, I see no option today. Well, now it's coming on mine.
Yeah, I gave it to you, but not sure why it's not coming to Amit.
Used to go entire screen and share one.
I don't know, I didn't get that.
Yeah.
Or maybe तपाईँको ल्यापटपमा हुन्छ?
Maybe you can send the request on Saudev's laptop.
Yeah. Sahdev, can we make presenter? Sahdev is not the presenter.
You are the presenter.
Yeah, Sahdev is the presenter now.
So you want to go my Weblogic directory?
Yeah, go in Ubuntu actually.
So I have the Windows.
Okay.
This one, China. You want to?
So Amit only has like Ubuntu.
Yeah, I have Ubuntu and Windows both.
Maybe we can do from the Windows if it's okay.
No, actually, because like see, here we are configuring between different machines, and the domain will, so WebLogic version or operating system has to be same for interoperability, because it's like whatever you're packing, so it will unpack only at the similar destination. It will not work that you can have one on Windows and you can have one on Linux, because directory structure will be different, so it will not work that way.
You know why you won't be able to send share screen to Amit?
Amit has logged in via web. Vinod, you have also logged in from web browser, right?
Go to meeting.
Okay, I guess Amit doesn't have like GoToMeeting client installed, so maybe that's why.
Install करेगा ये देंगे
Still click करेगा वगैरह मतलब.
What's the app's name?
It's GoToMeeting actually. When you click on like GoToMeeting link which you use for joining, at that time only it will like ask you to install. Or it
Yeah, I
must.
clicked, but it didn't ask me to install it.
Can you like try like logging out from GoToMeeting and then connect again?
Okay, so what do I do? Exit.
Log out setting में सही है. Is it in the setting? Good.
No. Try like restarting, like you can close GoToMeeting and try to like log in again,
Exit one.
because it's available for Sadev and Binod as well. It's not available to you only.
इसको एउटा इसको डाउनलोड गरेको थिएँ कि मैले.
स्टार वाला है ना?
स्टार गरेको थिएँ.
एउटा Windows मा install छ, एउटा यसमा चाहिँ.
Citrix, you mean Citrix, right?
GoToMeeting, yeah.
यहाँ छ. ये क्लिक गयो और डाउनलोड गर्ने अप्सन दिएको छ. एउटा गर्ने
के गरेँ मैले?
I'm also trying. Let's see. I'm also opening. My next laptop. I was saying.
सिधै जान्छ.
Same thing. Well, I did the same thing. I just clicked at the link that you sent,
Okay.
and it just took me to this screen, the screen that we're in right now.
And you both are using the same browser.
Yeah, we want to, right?
I guess it's an echo because someone might be on speaker. Actually, for Amit, it is saying not connected to audio. It might have like asked you to install something.
Anuj,
Yeah.
it didn't ask me to install anything. Like when we click the link you have sent us to join the meeting, and it takes us to the website. It doesn't ask us to install anything.
Okay. Can you check your audio connectivity? Because you are the only one like who is showing without audio.
Something wrong with the.
Right.
Sahadev also has Ubuntu, but he also same thing with his laptop.
Okay.
Is there any like I Google like how to download Go Meeting, but for Ubuntu it doesn't show anything.
Right, right, because it's for Windows. The setup is only for Windows. You might have, or in Ubuntu, you might have a Firefox browser as well.
Yes, I'm using a Firefox browser.
So, Binod and Amit both are using the Firefox browser.
Yes.
And so it's working for Binod, but it's not working for Amit.
Yeah, it's working for Binod.
Yeah, that's strange because. Uh,
Did you see the next Saturday there?
Sorry.
Did you see the two Saturdays there? Attendance?
I see Sahadev as 2 times and Amit also 2 times.
And can you tell me the for the last Saturday one?
I can only make presenter to either Binod or
What if
Sahadev.
do not log out? Log out. Oh my God.
Okay.
Is it because like we're using the same Wi-Fi and the Binod is the the main one?
No, that should not be. It's something related to your PC only, like some configuration, I believe. Amit, is there any settings option there in which you can check the audio connectivity, speaker and audio?
Yes, in the top left corner there is the mic symbol sign, and
Okay.
if I click that one, says you are currently sharing your microphone with this page, and then continue sharing option.
So you are able to like see the green dots increasing when you speak.
Yes, green dot, but the green dot there is a it's showing like it's trying to connect. The green sign, there is a white dot.
Okay. I'm not sure. I can make a Binod presenter. Binod, can you share your screen? Can you go to the settings?
This setting or the Go meeting setting?
Go meeting settings. Go meeting settings actually.
Yeah, you can see the screen, right? My screen. You know screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, this is the settings.
Can you go to audio tab? Okay, Amit, can you try this? In computer audio, you will see that there is a speaker icon. Can you see what are the options you are seeing there?
In a Go meeting?
Click on the default button, like what options we have here.
I just disconnected from the Go meeting. Actually, I'm not able to see the Binod screen.
Okay.
And if I go computer audio, okay, internet audio not available. I don't know some.
Because yesterday it was fine for you, I guess. Just
Yeah, Windows. I was using Windows yesterday and it was fine, but I used Ubuntu today and it's not working with Ubuntu. Yeah.
actually, Binod is using Google Chrome. So do you have Google Chrome as well?
Oh, Google Chrome. No, I don't have Google Chrome. Okay, let me try to download Google Chrome and connect from
Yeah,
there.
because that may work. Uh, in the meantime, we can go for next topic, backup and recovery.
Oh, I think, yeah, because it says 2 minutes to download. Okay, it's almost done.
Okay, okay. Let's wait time because today, like you guys have managed to come to a single place. So if we can finish this topic, then it will be better.
Yeah. Where does it go? After it downloading, where it goes? The home?
Uh, you will be able to see when you search using the first button which we have in the leftmost top corner. So it should be. You can search for Chrome from there. It will show you.
It doesn't connect. You know, yeah, Google Chrome download भएपछि कहाँ गएर बस्छ Google Chrome?
Download कहाँ हुन्छ त्यहाँनिर?
Thank you for downloading Chrome भनेर भन्यो. हो, यहाँ download
यहाँ क्लिक गर्नु. Download छैन यहाँ.
खै यहाँ छैन.
त्यो होम बटन जानु त माथि त्यहाँ आइहाल्छ नि. होम बटनमा गएर यहाँ
त्यसो इन्स्टल गर्नु पर्ने त्यो डाउनलोड पो भयो त. इन्टरनेटमा आयो. थ्याङ्क यू. अब यहाँ चाहिँ थ्याङ्क यू फर डाउनलोडिङ गुगल क्रोम भन्छ.
यहाँबाट गएर
Do you want to move to next topic? Next chapter today? Because I think.
Yeah, but I wanted to complete this because like today you guys have managed to come to like single place, so it will be possible only when you guys are together.
Yeah. Okay, just give me a couple of minutes.
Yeah, sure.
When we started drinking coffee, and if possible, drink milk over there, you know.
I can.
I just had the coffee like before the starting of the session already.
Where are you located? You're in like which part of India?
I'm in Delhi actually.
Oh, Delhi.
Yeah.
I heard so much about Chandni Chowk.
Yeah, there is delicious food available there. Like most of the shops are very old. So you can get like some authentic Indian food there.
Yeah, before I used to work with Indian, and they were from Delhi, and there was this Punjabi auntie, and she was always making me, like to eat the paratha and all the karela.
Yeah.
She was nice.
Yeah, usually Punjabi food is the like most heavy food and like all spicy and all. So Punjabi
You're
food is
Punjabi too?
sorry?
Are you Punjabi too, or
No, actually, I'm from MP, so it's a different part.
MP is Madhya Pradesh, right?
Right, right.
Always you planning to come to United States?
Only if like where I work, if my company sends me there.
I think if you here and work, you make a lot of money.
Yeah, right. Even I wish to, but like for that we need visa and all. So that's a long process here.
You know the teacher before you.
Mm-hmm.
Anu. He doesn't even know a lot of things like you, and he's making a lot of money. We
Okay.
took his class and he didn't know a lot. He didn't teach us anything.
Oh, really? So like he was also from here only, or like he was like giving you training like face to face?
Yeah, he's from here. He works for AT&T.
Okay.
AT&T, the phone company, the biggest company. I think you have heard about AT&T, right?
Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah. Yeah, he used to work there.
Okay.
He didn't know nothing. He didn't teach us like the way you are teaching us, right now.
Yeah, actually, see, the main thing is if you know the concepts and you know how it works internally, like how the practical thing is the main thing because you can learn the theory everywhere, but until you practice it or you work on it or you see how it works there, so you'll not be able to learn because like even practically I have learned it that way only.
Hmm.
And actually this is the like foundation part, so that's why going little bit like slow so that because if we are clear with this part and we are like we know all the basics, how to start and stop managed and with logic, how we can maintain our environment. So after that rest of the like topics will not take much time. So they are like pretty easier if we are like we have if we have the solid foundation, then the house will be built like strong.
Uh, Now I installed the Google Chrome. Let me find the link now. Sweet call. So what time is right now? 11?
Here in India,
Yeah.
yeah, it's around 11:17.
You have to go to work tomorrow?
Yeah, daily till Friday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Saturday, Sunday will be off.
For Saturday, Sunday you off?
Yeah.
So you work in like a Weblogic as a Weblogic admin?
Yeah, actually, there are multiple things I work for. WebSphere, Weblogic, and like,
You can see me right now, right?
yeah, actually I see two Amets. Yeah, I think it is showing the presenter option now. Let me make you the presenter. Amit, are you like able to present now? Okay. Amit, can you check now? You should be able to make your screen shareable. Yeah. Yes, I am able to see your screen now.
Let me mute Vinod from laptop.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so where do you want me to go now? What? Okay.
Okay, sure. So go to your domain on terminal.
I'm saying terminal.
Yeah. Okay. So can you do one thing? Yeah, shut down. Right. Now do one thing. Okay. I think it is the same location which is present on Pinot's machine. So we are good here. Now do ls-lrt.
And
I still didn't see the output. So I guess it is coming a little bit slow. Okay. Go back one directory. No, you need to give cd space dot dot.
oh, check the ls LRT.
cd dot dot. Now,
ls LRT.
yeah. Now run this. Now we will move base underscore domain to base underscore domain bkp. Can you run this command which I posted in the chat?
Both command.
No, I have pasted only the single command mv.
Mm-hmm.
Just you can copy paste. So we are like taking a backup.
Oh. It says missing destination.
Uh, No. Yeah, right, because you need to go into domains folder and then after that you need to run this command.
We are in domains folder, right, already?
No, you are in user projects. Inside that, go to domains and then run that command. Just copy paste whole command. I think you have only copied half command.
These are the
Yeah, it is missing the. Just copy the whole command from the chat because you need to give source and destination when like moving the directory. So here we are giving source is base domain and we are making it a backup as base domain underscore backup. So mv command is basically used to move any file. So copy copies and move moves.
what is that? So this is the right command?
Yeah.
I can press enter. Okay, I think it's done.
Yeah, perfect.
His battery is down.
And after this?
Now do ls-lrt. Okay, perfect. Now run the command if config to it will show us our IP. If config, yeah,
That's it, right?
right.
I think dot hash.
Yeah, just run it.
Dot plus.
No. Dot slash is not required.
Oh yeah.
So your IP is 192.168.0.21.
Which one? 192?
Well,
This.
if you see in the last WLAN, so that is your wireless LAN ID. So here the address is 192.168.0.21. Now what we will do is, so you're ready now. So next steps will be done. No, this is something else. This is your subnet ID. So I will make Binod presenter now.
Okay, do I need to copy anything from here?
No. Yeah, you can just copy paste the IP 192.
192?
That is not needed even. I will write it down.
That's not needed.
Yeah, 192.168.0.21.
So all internet IP starts with 192?
No,
All IP 192.
all IPs in your basically whatever you have in your because this is your local network. It's not internet basically. It's your like you can say small intranet wireless network at your home. And for home networks, the range starts from this 192.168. So that's like local address. It
So
will
in
not
real
access.
time,
Sorry.
we have to, in the real time, we have to look for the Ethernet thing, right? Not the IP address.
Right. Because this is right now you all are connected via wireless address. So that's why. Now can you run this command?
No. Yes.
You still, I'm the presenter?
Yeah, Amit, you are the presenter. The last command which I just pasted.
Amit has been right.
Yeah, Amit need to run that.
You still seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So the Amit ran that command.
Yeah. Yeah, what it does is it lists all the IPs or all the listening ports which are like listening for traffic from like different machines. So you can connect to that particular listen port from some other server. So if you Vinod runs here, then he will be able to see the port of Weblogic and all managed server ports and admin server ports like that. So what we will do now is I will make the Vinod the presenter. Okay. Okay, Vinod, you are the presenter now. You can share your screen.
Okay. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Open the terminal.
On you open that. Are you lag on this? Well, उसको मैं आपसे Hey. Look. Oh, boleh. Kalau aku naik kan itu. Kecil yang paling. Okay, Anuj.
Yeah.
Anuj.
Yes, Vinod.
तिम्रो म्युट गर्नुपर्छ ल तिम्रो अनम्युट गर मैले म्युट थिएँ कि हो
So Vinod, can you like open the presentation as well?
Hello, Anuj.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Can you open the presentation which we have uploaded in the like Google Drive?
Google
You can download from the link, Google Drive link which Shipal has shared with you.
Share that thing. Which one? I know Google Drive wala.
Yeah, go to Google Drive.
There is
Shipal
February, March 9.
March 9. March 9?
Mm-hmm.
It's in March 9. Video camera everything. Yeah, Google. Okay, upload the video.
No. Go to the link. There you will see training material. Inside that there will be a Weblogic application server.ppt. Just download that.
Which one? No, I got.
Oh, let me share you the link. Just go to this link which I have shared in the chat.
They have been moved to my queue. Sorry, an error occurred when opening the file.
You can download that
Why?
file on your local server, local machine. You can close this one and go to there. There you will see an option to download. No.
Which one?
Open the link actually which I have sent you in the chat.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Did you see the screen?
Yeah.
It says something, the permission, no longer permission.
Okay. And you are able to access the videos folder, right?
Yes.
Not sure. And you are login with the same Gmail ID which you use to access the videos folder, right? Can you try to access videos folder? Like usually how you update, check the videos folder?
Okay, I got like a four videos folder right now, including MSI.
Yeah, that is from yesterday.
So 5 video. Which one you want me to open? Anyone?
Just a second.
Can I add this to my drive?
Video you can add, but not the slide. I will ask Shripal to like give more permission because it seems only one person has the access. Okay.
It seems like he hasn't gave us permission, right?
Right. I can do one thing so it will be available to you.
Okay.
Let me do that.
Breakfast lunch. Itu mana? Balon satu.
You can nobody knows. Seeing that now.
Balon ल्याएको कति टनै लाग्यो
अस्ति भान्दा ल्याएको थियो 2 महिना भयो अब भाइ ल्याएको 2 महिना ऊ पनि खान्छ नि त
को जाँदैछु नेपाल कोही
अस्ति दिन भर्खर भयो नेपालबाट ल्याउन सामान छ भने भन्नु
Okay. Can you refresh now? Vinod? The video folder.
Which one you want me to open?
The Weblogic application, the last one. Right. So now go to slide number 12.
Network.
Yeah.
Number. Number. This is the one, I believe.
Go to number 12.
Yeah, that's the tool, right?
Okay, I'm still seeing the 9th number slide. Okay, it's progressing.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming. You are moving slides?
This is the one, right? Configuring manage server 2.
Yeah. So now what we need to do is we need to run the pack command to create a configuration of your domain. To like pack your configuration which can be transported to Amit's server.
Okay.
And before that we need to create a managed server in admin console. And before that we will check the connectivity with Amit's server. Can you go to terminal?
Yeah.
What command did you run and the screen came out?
Next step. Next step, Greg.
Just a second, guys. Actually, I'm getting a call.
Weblogic start करने यहाँ
That's a lot.
मैंने त्यो बनाएकै छैन क्या त्यो नहपहरू त्यो बनाएकै छैन
के पनि नहप रन गरेर त एकचोटि ब्याक सेभ गरेर ल नहप space ./ start Weblogic अनि n% भनेको चाहिँ ब्याकग्राउन्ड बनाउनु पर्ने
यो
एन्टर गरेर
मान्छे
के भन्छ
इग्नोरिङ इनपुट एन्ड एपेन्डिङ
ओके अब त्यो कन्सोल अघि खोल्छ कि नि
त्यो रनै भएको छैन नि त
कसरी
रन भयो भने त देखाउनु पर्ने होइन रन भएको
ब्याकग्राउन्डमा गरायो क्या त
ए ब्याकग्राउन्डमा थियो
लोकल होस्ट
केही नगरी तपाईँको नहप
भएन त्यो डबल यो पछि स्ल्यास हाल्नुपर्छ नि दुइटा
पर्दैन
पर्दैन हुन
लोकल होस्ट थियो अनि सेमिकोलन 7 स्ल्यास ट्रान्सफर त्यही त हो नि
ए पर्दैन माई ब्याड अनि रिफ्रेस गरेर हुन्छ त्यो एकछिन जाँदा
नहप स्पेस अनि
नहप त पहिला के क्रिएट गर्ने स्क्रिप्टहरू राइट गर्ने के गर्नु पर्दैन
पर्दैन जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ
मेसेज के भन्छ नहप इग्नोरिङ इनपुट एन्ड एपेन्डिङ
त्यही हुन्छ
त्यही भन्छ
भएन डट त्यो म त हाल्नु नि त डट स्ल्यास के त्यो टर्मिनलमा
त्यो चाहिँ उसले के बनाएको थियो एउटा के बनाएको थियो
लास्टमा चाहिँ n% आयो बुटर प्रपर्टी
एन्ड भनेर चाहिँ खेले
त्यो भनेपछि ब्याकग्राउन्डमा रन गर्नु
एन मात्र भन्ने के एन भनेको
नट फाउन्ड भन्छ
नट फाउन्ड है n% भनेको चाहिँ माथिको युज हो n मात्र होला खास होइन
पर्सेन्ट किन हुन्छ
त्यसले पर्सेन्ट भन्दा छ अघि
एन पर्सेन्ट एन म चाहिँ एन
रनै हुँदैन त
Back to the back.
Sometimes.
CD data. And clear and clear up. Okay, ls. Some of these are going to be behind. Base tab. Oh, enter. About
Not found भन्छ कसरी नट फाउन्ड यही छ त हो त्यो नमक त छ नि हामी नमक क्रिएट भएको छ
तिमीले क्रिएट गरेको भने त अस्ति
मैले गरेको छैन
हो र
मैले गरेको छैन केही पनि गरेको छैन
यसो गर नि त यो अटो डिप्लोयमा त्यो जग्गा त त्यतिको के रहेछ
redmi.ts होइन केही छैन टोटल 4 txt फाइल छ
मेरोमा चाहिँ अब बेस डोमेन होइन बेस डोमेन बेस डोमेनमै छ नि होइन
अहिले के ब्याकअप भन्ने गराएको थियो नि त त्यही भएर हो कि के हो
यही होला नि तिम्रो यही होइन त
जान बिनमा जानु पर्यो
अब यो अब धेरै तरिकाले अब स्टार्ट गर्नु यहीँबाट पनि स्टार्ट गर्न सकिन्छ किनभने यो यहीँ पनि छ नि होइन न त भने बिनमा पनि जान सकिन्छ होइन बिनमा पनि छ यहाँनिर स्टार्ट वेबलजिक.sh होइन
लिनमा जानु
Yeah, sorry guys, I got a call. Okay, so yeah, can you do one thing?
and open
So Binod, actually we will need to see the connectivity with Amit's machine.
Well, Amit's having problem. Can you make him a representative right now?
Okay.
Like
no, I'm trying to
open the console.
oh, I mean run the console with the start weblogic.sh.
Amit, yeah, you can hold on, like, because it will not work because like we have moved the files, so it will not work.
All right.
So Binod, you can try this command. We are trying to see if we have connectivity between your machine and Amit's machine with this command. You need to run in the terminal itself. Okay, so that means like it is saying that 60 bytes from 64 bytes, so it's like able to connect to Amit's machine. So we are good with the connectivity part, right? Usually we run this.
No, it's good.
Yeah, so we are able to communicate. If you try with other IP, like you can give 192.168.0.22. Try that.
So you put the ping, right? What is ping?
It's like the same thing what you have in you use the Facebook, right?
Facebook?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So in Facebook you have an option like called poke.
Oh, okay. A poke is like a.
So it's like similar to like ping. So in Facebook you poke someone to check if he is like listening to you or he responds. So here
Oh,
same is the ping. We are pinging the Amit's machine that if it's responding. So we are poking
to
it
find
and it is giving us back the response.
to find out the status of response of different machine.
Yeah. Now you need to press Control C
Uh,
to come out of the command because it will keep running.
So ping, we put the ping and Amit IPS.
Yeah. To test the connectivity. So in real world situation like when okay they come and ask you okay we need to install WebLogic there and we need to configure there as well. Then we first check the connectivity. If we have the connectivity, then we create manage server in console. Okay, and after that we do the further steps. So you
okay.
can press Control C here.
Mm-hmm. Slow sir, they are exact. त्यसो गर्ने नि त यहाँ बस्ने यो यसलाई अघि गर्दाखेरि यहाँनिर आइपुग्छ नि सबैजना त्यो काफला यता छ Okay, Anuj.
Yeah.
Now.
Now go to you. Do you have the WebLogic console up and running?
Yeah.
Go to the WebLogic console.
Admin is running.
Yep. We need only the admin.
Okay.
Now lock and edit. We will create a new managed server. You already know the steps to create a new managed server. So like this is your second WebLogic training.
Yes.
And the
Actually,
first,
the first one was just for a, I guess, just for a week. He,
okay.
the guy,
Six class, 6, 7 class.
only 6 class, yeah, just for a week, and he only taught us about the server, and then what was it?
Yeah, just some Unix command, and he went for long vacation, and when he came
On the server, and then that's it. He said the
class
other
is
we
over.
don't need it.
because if you don't have like a hands-on and if you don't work on it like on your with your own hands, then definitely like it will only remain in the mind. You will not be able to further work on it.
Yeah, we didn't get to use like this. We didn't get to use our computer when we were in his class. He was just teaching with his computer. Like we just had like maybe 6 class total. And after that, he said we're ready to work. And I don't think, in your class, I don't think like we would have survived in the real world.
Yeah, right.
So I don't think the teacher was really good.
No, actually, but he has his limitations. Like he was like using the standard method of like teaching. Like since you didn't have like any practical session, so that's why that was the major drawback. So unless because you get your hands dirty with the like all the installation and configuration part, so that is the only thing how you can learn.
Yeah.
So now you need to give the server name. You can name it like Amit1 because
I
it
do
will be yeah no Amit1 because it will be created on Amit's machine.
Okay, Amit, go on.
And
The server listen port is going to be same, right?
listen port you can keep, but since 7001 we have reserved there for admin,
Admin.
so it's better you can give like 8001.
It should not be of Amit, yes, or it should be Amit.
No, we need to give a unique server port which is not in use. So
I'm
now the
saying that
server.
Amit one is the server that exists in the Amit's machine. Am I right?
No, that doesn't exist yet. We will be creating that. First we need to define, because we are creating a, you can say, a clustered environment, which some managed server are here and some managed server are there, right? So do one thing then.
Next.
You need to give server listen address as well. And the listen address will be same as what we have the IP address of Amit's Ubuntu.
That's the one, right?
Yeah, perfect.
So can I put the local host only here or not?
Sorry?
Can I put the local host?
No,
Instead
because no, we cannot put, because this time we are telling Weblogic explicitly that this Weblogic server is not on localhost, it is on some other IP which is 192.168.0.21. So it's on some different server.
Okay.
So we are telling Weblogic that the this managed server will be on different machine. Okay. Now go next.
Finish.
Right.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay, now activate all chains.
Yep.
All right. Now, do we need to make this server running in my machine first?
No, you cannot run it here because the listen address we have given is for Amit's.
Amit.
So
Amit.
we just created a new managed server, right?
Yeah, we created a managed server for which is not running here. It will be running in Amit's machine.
Oh, okay.
So what is the purpose of that? So that your application is available even if you shut down your machine, the application will be available from Amit's machine, Amit's server.
Yeah, but what if the managed server the Vinod already has? I can connect from my laptop to his managed server, or
No.
Actually, yeah, if it is in cluster, so they will internally communicate actually with each other. So you don't have to specify anything. So if
in the real time, we have to create always a new managed server and then try to connect it to it, or I mean, how it works in the real time. Like we have to create new managed server all the time. What about the server we already have?
yeah, that since we are learning here, so that's why we are creating all the times new ones. But
Okay.
this time why we are creating, because this is the first managed server which we are creating on your machine. So
Okay.
usually we will not be creating every time, we will be needing as per the requirement. So if dev team, if we have requirement of only 2 managed server, then we will be running with only 2 managed server. If we have a requirement of like 10 managed server, then we need to create 10 managed server. All depends on application requirement.
So who tells us how many managed server we're gonna need? The development team?
Usually there will be an architecture team,
Okay.
which like designs the architecture for application, like how the application will be distributed, what will be the failover instances, where will be the DB, how many DBs will be there, what will be their configuration. So that plans come from your architecture team, and your development team works with them. So they come to us and they say, okay, this is our requirement. We want 5 managed servers and with this much amount of memory, and these are the servers where you need to install. So is that plan fine with you? Then you will review that and you will see if that is possible or not, and then you say them, okay, we can work on it, or if you have any suggestions, you can give them that, okay, no, if we can have like 5 minute server on each machine, that will provide more like failover or something like that. If you have like more benefits to say them, then you can also like advise them accordingly.
And one more, is Weblogic a teamwork or it's an individual work? Like I have
Usually
heard
there will
on
be like teamwork, so there will be different teams and they will be coordinating with each other. So our task,
more Weblogic, I mean, admin, or will be just, I mean, will be the only one, or there will be more Weblogic admin too, like in the company when in the real time, yeah, in your office, you're the only one for the Weblogic, or there are more, Weblogic ad persons?
no, we have like a team of like 10%, and we have like so many applications to manage. So like it's in like usually it will be a team effort, because only if you have like very less applications, like 2 or 3 applications, then probably 1 or 2%. So that depends on like how much is the workload in your team.
So you mean when we go to the real work, there will be more Weblogic admin, right? Already there. I mean.
Yeah, right.
So I have one final question about that.
Yeah.
So can Vinod use the same server which he already has in his laptop and just change the port number as Amit,
Yes, I didn't get the question exactly actually, but I think you are asking that if we can use change the port of some managed server to 8001.
Okay.
Is that you are asking?
No, I'm talking, he created the Amit one, in order to connect the Amit managed server, yes?
Yeah, which we will be creating on Amit's machine in next step.
Okay, and I'm talking if he has if he wants to use his one managed server by changing the port number or that IP address same as the Amit, can that
Yeah.
managed server be connect with the Amit or not?
Yeah, it will.
Okay.
So you can change like configuration as you want. So there's no restriction on that. You can do that.
Now I got a question.
Yeah.
You said they will tell us like how many managed server we need, right?
Right.
So and you also said that it depends on the application or the size of the application we need to run in a particular managed server. That's how we decide like how many managed server we need for each machine, right?
Yeah, and usually like your architecture team or dev team will be coming to you with the number of like managed servers which we need to create. Usually that will be their decision. Usually the architecture team.
Like in my case, how do I know like Amit one suppose okay ABC, I got ABC managed server. How do I know like how much space that this ABC managed server has? Like how do I find out? Like
Okay, for that actually you need to go to this your terminal only.
And like isn't it better to have more managed server, or is it not better to have more managed server?
That depends on your like application only. See, if I have like only four users for one application, then 2 managed servers are sufficient if there are only 4 users.
But you don't know, you never know how many users might be using your application, in real-time scenario. Like if you
No, actually, you will be knowing how many users are expected, because business knows that okay, this is our application and these much number of users uses this particular application. So they will be knowing that okay, for this is a simple application and it has only 4 users, so you need only 2 managed servers. And this B application is quite a complex application, and there are around 10,000 users. So for 10,000 users, definitely the load will be high, and you need to have multiple managed servers, because
Okay.
two managed servers will not be able to handle the load of 10,000 users.
Like my real question was like when the architecture team tells you like okay, you need a 5 managed server for the application, right, on your machine,
Okay,
and then I'm gonna have to go to my machine and create 5 managed server, right?
right.
So does each managed server has the same space, or you know, like how do I allocate the space from my machine and you know, give it to my each managed server? Like how do I know like each managed server get how much space?
Yes, right.
Or is
That
that a default setting that and every time I create a managed server, they will get a specific amount of space for each managed server?
right. So that is defined in your set domain env.sh file. You can even go there and see that.
Okay.
Set domain SS file.
So
Can we edit there or just we can see there, you know?
You can edit that. So if you update the XMX value to 1024 MB, then it will start with 1 GB of RAM. So right now I guess it has 512 MB. So you can even quickly check that. You can go to terminal and go to the base domain bin directory and cat file set domain env.sh.
set domain.
Right. It will be capital D. No. You need to go into bin directory first.
Yeah.
So here you have set domain env.sh. So here the most important files are set domain env.sh, start weblogic.sh, and start managed weblogic.sh. So here you can go up. Go up. Okay. Okay, just wait here. Come down. Come. Okay, just come down little bit.
More down.
Oh yeah, little down.
What am I trying to find?
We are trying to find memory arguments,
Memory.
user memory args. Can you run this command, which I am pasting in chat?
Did you see it?
Yep. So okay. Now go to set domain env.sh. No. You can cat.
My bad.
So here you will find out that XMX 512. There should be some line with 512M. Yeah, it is here.
Where?
Here it is mem args 64-bit mem args.
How do we edit from here? Just
Oh yeah, we don't need to edit anything. Yeah, if you want, you need to edit it and then you can change the memory settings below.
So to edit what? VIA?
Yeah,
VI is set domain.env, right?
right.
Okay. So so from this, how what can we
See, here you have different JDK setting. So if you have Sun JDK install, it is asking here, it is checking the condition. If Java vendor is equal to Sun, then WLS memark 64-bit is XMS 256 and 512M. That means it is starting with allocating 256 MB of RAM and the maximum will be 512 MB RAM, right?
is this for each managed server?
Yes, it is common for whole domain
Oh, okay.
because the name itself says that set domain environment.sh, so it sets it for all servers.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
So you said like it depends on the application side, right?
Yeah, so they will ask you that, okay, we need 3 GB of RAM or 2 GB of RAM or 1 GB of RAM. So how we can increase that? So that also we will see how we
Okay,
can increase that. So even
like, so one application, let's say application A, if we try to deploy that on a managed server, and then the managed server space is not enough, it's better like the one application goes to one managed server, or we can divide that application to different managed servers.
yeah, you can deploy to different managed servers as well, and that depends like how much load. That depends on the load basically.
I mean,
you have like
you got my question, right? Let's say application A is like 6 GB, okay? So we try to deploy that on managed server 1, and then half of it we deploy to managed server 1, and half of application we deploy. Can we deploy it to managed server 2 instead of going here changing the space? We can do that too, or how it works? You got my question?
Yeah, I got your question, and that is like not valid in real-time scenario because you will not get that much amount of this much amount of like big application. So maximum application size you might be getting would be like around 400 MB or 100 MB or like that, because it's just code, so that will not be that much big like 6 GB or 4 GB. Because in that case you will be needing like, if you have an application of like 6 GB, so that will be like very huge, more big than the Facebook itself.
So you cannot divide any application into two managed server like a
No,
deploy the.
that is not possible. Yeah.
So it has to be in the same managed server. One application in the one goes to one managed server. We cannot divide that application to two managed server, right?
Yeah, it needs to be fully installed on single server. So
Single
you
server,
can
okay.
install the same on all servers, but like it will go fully on each server. It
Oh, that
cannot be
means
like divided half and half.
Oh, okay. So that means if we have a space problem, so we have to go here and then edit here.
Yeah, you can, if
Okay.
your dev team asks that, okay, here the maximum setting is 512. Okay. So if they ask and say, okay, increase it, double it to 1 GB. So currently it is 512 MB. So we will update it to 1024 MB. So
Is there a limit here? Like, I mean, we can, is there a limitation here, or we can just put any number? Let's say right now it's 512, right, MB. Instead
yeah,
we put 1,000 or 2,000. There is a limitation for that, or
yes, there is limitation. If you have like 32-bit environment, if you have 32-bit JDK, then it will be, the limit will be 1536 MB. If it is 32-bit JDK, but if it is 64-bit JDK, then there is no limit. The only limit is imposed by your physical memory. So if you have 16 GB, how much RAM you have in your laptop?
I have a 8 GB.
Okay, so in case of 64-bit, so even we have the argument here itself. So memory argument 64-bit is this and 32-bit is this. So for 32-bit, maximum you can set is 1536 MB, irrespective of physical memory you have.
1536 MB.
Yeah, around 1.5 GB.
For 32-bit JDK.
Yeah. Because the 32-bit address space is, in 32-bit address space you can have only a maximum file size of 4 GB.
Okay.
And out of 4 GB, 2 GB is reserved for OS.
Okay.
1536 MB is available to user, and rest of 500 is for process details.
Oh, okay.
But for 64-bit, it is a different story. For 64-bit, there is no limit on the memory size, because for 64-bit, the address space is very huge. You can have like a file size of anything. Like you can have file size of 8 GB, 10 GB, 15 GB. There is no limit on.
But not excluding the physical memory.
Yeah, because if you have 8 GB of physical memory, then definitely you will not be allocate more than 8 GB to manage server. Because even if you like allocate 16 GB, but you have only 8 GB of physical memory, so that's not possible. Okay, that makes sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. Later on we will try to, once we are done with this, probably in some next session we can try to, we will be seeing how we can increase the space. Okay?
Yeah.
How we can like increase the space and how we can check what JDK version we have. So we will check into that as well. Because right now we don't know if we have like 32-bit JDK or 64-bit JDK. We don't know.
So today class we connected Binod managed server to Amit computer. Yes?
Right now it is only half done.
Okay.
Still there is a long way to go.
Okay, now what I do, Anuj, I'm in the bin folder right now.
Yeah. Now go. We have created the managed server in the console. Now go to my slide. the slide which we have open in Google Chrome.
Okay.
So here, can you copy this command somewhere? WL home and till template name. The pack.sh command. Like, no.
Yeah, but it's not lit.
Try Control C.
Let me try here. Yeah.
No, actually, you need to first note it down in Notepad.
Right.
Okay. So now what you need to do is Weblogic home you need to replace with your Weblogic path from the terminal. Go to a terminal. So Weblogic home path is Oracle middleware. Copy. Go to Oracle middleware. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 directories back it is.
All right.
CD middleware.
Okay.
ls-lrt. Go to WLS 12.1. Now go to common bin directory.
Common.
Yep. CD bin. So here we have a file called pack.sh. Okay. Now can you copy this path? pwd.
PWD. Where, from the notepad?
No. Just copy the path from here.
Oh, okay. Till Oracle, right?
Yes.
You want the slash?
Yeah.
Okay. Now?
Go to the notepad. Yes,
Right.
Control V. You need to replace the $sign with the slash. Okay. Okay. Now there is a option ahead that says hyphen managed equal to true.
What did you change the $sign?
Slash. What is it? What did you say?
So here we can see the next. So first part we have completed, that we have given the correct path for pack.sh. Now the next option is hyphen managed equal to true. So we keep hyphen managed equal to true when we are like using pack.sh to create a managed server on some remote machine. So that is the case here.
We keep manage equal to true when we what?
When we are creating managed server on some remote machine.
From our machine, right?
On remote machine, because here we will be creating managed server on Amit's machine.
Oh, okay.
So that's why we are actually packing all the configuration from here to Amit's machine. So that's why we are running this command, and we are we will be using this to create a managed server on Binod's machine. So that's why we have given managed equal to true.
So this is basically this is basically we're trying to give access to Amit so he can get access of Amit one managed server that we created in my machine.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you can do one more thing. You can.
So do we need to change the true value or not?
Yeah, we need to keep it as true only.
True.
Okay. Now do one more thing. Now give the domain hyphen. Now the change the value of domain to your domain path. Till base domain, you need to provide the full path.
So go to domain.
Yes.
From user, right? Or WLS?
Oracle middleware, then user projects. Domains. No. First go to user projects, then domains.
Just give you. I'm sorry, go to where?
Go to cd user underscore projects. Now go to domains, ls-lrt, yeah. Go to domains.
Base domain?
Yep. pwd present working directory command.
PWD, okay.
Okay, now copy the path from the output.
Okay.
Now go to the notepad.
Paste it here.
Replace the domain path.
I'm sorry?
Yeah,
Delete this
replace.
domain.
Yeah, replace domain path with the path which we. No, not whole. Only the after equal to.
From here.
Not whole. Only domain underscore path. Only
replace
domain underscore path.
only this.
Yeah. Delete this one.
Okay.
Yeah, and paste. Right. Yeah, you can paste. Okay, now space. Press delete once. Okay, fine. Now the template is domain template. You can replace the domain name with
Base domain.
Yeah,
This one?
right.
Replace it with base_domain.
Yeah.
Domain or domains?
base_domain.jar. And you can write like base_domain_template.jar. So that is a standard practice like which is followed. So because you will be knowing that okay, this is a template. So that's why we have included the template in the name. And the template name would be domain same base_domain_template.
Template.
Base domain. Base_domain.
Yeah, template name after template name equal to base_domain_template.
Here?
Yes.
So equals to the same base_domain_ the same one, right? Template
Yeah.
and .jar too.
No. That was for template name. Template. It is the name.
Okay.
Now do one thing. Just go to the starting of the first line. And you need to write /home/Binod.
Here?
Yeah. Perfect. Now copy both the lines.
Copy the whole thing. Hello? Ah.
Go to terminal.
Just give me a second.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, the two guys went in and they have some work, so they'll come. Hey, buddy. You're done? You should copy this.
Yeah, copy this and go to the terminal.
Yeah. And paste there.
Yes.
Just enter it.
Yeah, hit enter. So it is reading the configuration from base domain and it will create a template. Okay, so we have successfully created the template. Yeah. Now do an ls-lrt.
Huh?
You missed an hyphen, ls hyphen lrt. Yeah.
Yeah, I corrected.
Yeah. So this is the base domain template.jar. We need to copy it into the Amit's server. Okay.
Okay.
So do one thing. Have you used SFTP earlier?
Sorry, what you said?
Have you used SFTP earlier?
I think. Okay. You are asking to Amit's computer or?
Yeah, we need to run this command. It will we will FTP this file to Amit's machine.
Your command on manual.
Yeah. So can you run this command manually? You know.
Yeah, I have pasted the command which you need to run. Then try that.
I need to run in my computer, right? That
Yeah.
command?
No. From here only in Binod's server.
Or Binod server, okay.
Yeah, like so SFTP is secure FTP. We use this command to connect to some different remote machine and to get some files from there or put some files into that server. You need to run this command on terminal itself where we are right now.
Here it is.
It will probably ask for password. So we need to provide the password of Amit.
It says, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes, right?
Yeah.
And password, what password?
Amit's password. Amit's Ubuntu password.
Oh, okay. No, Weblogic password or the Ubuntu password?
Ubuntu password because we are connecting to your server physically, not to Weblogic.
Connected to, okay, it says connected, you can see, right?
Yeah. Can you do PWD here?
I'm sorry?
PWD.
PWD, right.
Remote working directory.
Perfect. Now put run the command put PUT and the space and the template.jar name which we are seeing in the above base underscore domain underscore template.jar. You can copy it from above the name.
This one, the red.
Yeah, copy it. Now paste it ahead of put.
And run it.
Yeah, perfect. So like we are copying this to the remote server. So it's like traveling. So it's in transit now to the destination server. Now say bye to this BYE. B for Bombay, B for bat, BYE. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. Because we are done with SFTP part, so that's why we are doing the bye.
Oh.
Okay. Now can you do one thing? Can you go to your notepad? Copy this command.
The whole command?
Yeah.
Go to terminal.
Right. No. Just paste it in the chat.
In the chat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now I will make Amit the presenter. Amit is the presenter now. Okay, Amit, can you copy the command into your notepad now, which is in the chat? Yeah.
And
Notepad in home button.
notepad? You said in the notepad?
Yeah.
Okay. And after this one?
Now let me post the now copy this command as well in the notepad. So can you copy the path for unpack.sh from the above command? So copy from Oracle till bin.
Oh. This up to here?
Up to bin, right? Copy this, paste it instead of WL home in the second command. No, in the notepad itself.
Paste it over here on the top.
Yeah, right. And put a tilde sign.
Put what sign? Yield?
This I'm posting in the chat. This in front of the line. Which I have put. Yeah. Just copy it in front of your starting line in Oracle, before Oracle.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. In front of where?
In the third line, basically, Oracle, in front of Oracle.
Why? In front of Oracle.
Slash. Yeah, perfect. Now go to domain.
Here?
Yeah. No, domain path.
Domain path? Okay, here.
Yeah, replace it with the domain path.
Replace with what?
Base domain path.
Yeah, with the same domain path which we have above. Home, Binod, Oracle, middleware, user projects, domain, base domain.
Or these, all this one from
Right.
here
Yeah.
up to
Till base domain. Till base domain only. Okay. And instead of home/Binod, just delete home and Binod. And put the same sign as we put earlier, tilde sign and then slash.
space or after equals to space.
No space. Just a tilde sign and slash. Right. And the template is base underscore domain underscore template dot jar. The name which is above. You can copy paste from there.
Template equals to
Base domain, yeah, order. Base domain.
this one?
Yeah.
No, jar.
No. That is, yeah, this one. The jar one.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this?
You got an on usually.
Okay. Now copy this command. Wait. First go to your terminal session. Go to your home directory. ls-lrt. Okay, can you go to your home directory?
CD slash, right, to go to home directory.
No, just cd, no slash required. Yeah, enter. ls-lrt. Okay. Now copy paste the command which I gave you, like which we have in the notepad. No, you need to copy it, I guess. Okay, yeah. Yeah, right. Now run it.
An error.
Yeah, because, okay. Can you run this command ls-lrt? ls-lrt, and in front of that the first unpack.sh, full path for unpack.sh, ls-lrt and full path till unpack.sh, which we have in the command upper.
ls-lrt and then?
Yeah, then copy from tilde sign to unpack.sh. Yeah. In the command which we ran.
Oh, here?
Yes. Copy this from tilde sign to unpack.sh. Yeah. Copy paste.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can you go to the notepad? Now copy paste this whole line.
Oracle.
Yeah. No, paste here only in notepad in new line. No, not here. Paste in the notepad itself.
I'm going to copy it. Okay.
In new
Paste it
line.
here?
Yeah. Now instead of tilde, replace it with /home/Amit.
Instead of home?
Instead of that tilde sign, yeah, replace it with /home/Amit. Do the same in -domain where we have tilde sign. No. In the same line, the third line. After -domain, yeah, there. /home/Amit here as well. Perfect. Now try to run this command.
Huh?
Yeah, run it.
Succeed.
Okay. Now go to domains.
Where?
Domains.
Domains.
That's not easy.
Oracle middleware user projects domains.
Where? Visual project?
Yep.
and
domains.
base domain or base domain backup?
See, base domain backup was the previous backup which we took. We need to go to base domain.
So we always need to create the base domain backup before, like, trying to connect to machines.
Usually you might not have a base domain or some other domain. No name can be any name which you give while tolling. So that is not something which is necessary. But whenever you make any change, so here we are making a big change, so that's why we have took a backup. So go to base domain. Go to ls-lrt, run the command ls-lrt. Okay. Now go to bin directory.
So start the Amit one.
See, here we have already the start amit1.sh command. Wait, cat this file start amit1.sh cat. Can you go up?
No.
Okay. Okay, come down. ls-lrt. It will not work from here actually. See, the problem is if you cat start Amit, you can do one thing. Vi this file, start amit1.sh.
So,
Edit process allowed. Got those as a command that
yeah, thing.
Yeah.
Processor.
Chat
And you close one with where the chat.
यत्रो यत्रो कमेन्ट गरिदियो नि त्यसको बढी
यस्तो गर्ने नि त कपी गरेर नोटमा पेस्ट गर्ने नि त now
तर यो यसमा त हुन्छ नि त
Okay, there is a little problem.
के कमान्ड गयो
भिडियो गर्दा हुन्छ नि त
The problem is, can you copy paste this http colon / zimba colon 7001?
which one? Where is that? Zimba.
Admin URL. You can just copy paste with the mouse. Or just copy it. No, it's down. Yeah, just copy it and run it in your Google Chrome. Just remove, again paste it here and remove the quotes. Yeah, run it now. So the problem is
What?
okay. It is not able to connect to admin URL because that is listening on a local address on Amit's machine.
Okay.
So not on Amit, on the Binod's machine. It will not work. So can you come to the what can we do here is okay. You can do one thing.
Oh?
Amit, Binod, are you there?
Yeah.
Let me make the Binod the presenter. Binod, you are the new presenter. Actually, we need to see if your Weblogic is listening on the IP address which you have. So run this command if config.
If config.
So your IP is 192.168.0.23. Now run this command. We are seeing on which port 7001 is listening. Run the command which I posted in chat. So like today's session is a bit extended because we had wasted some time while configuring, and I just want to complete this topic like before we disengage.
Okay. So this is my IP address, right?
Yes. Can you run
want
this? Yeah. Can you run this command which I am posting? 192.168.0.23. Can you run this command? We are just seeing that if you are listening on this port and IP combination. It is saying that it is unable to connect to remote host.
192.168.0.23 is Amit's IP, right?
No, it's your IP. Can you do one thing quickly? Can you go to your admin server console?
Okay.
Go to the admin server.
Okay, admin server console.
Go to servers. Then go to admin server. And listen address we need to give as the IP. and the IP is what I have posted in the chat, which is your
instead of local.
yeah, instead of localhost, put the IP 192.168.
Which one?
Yeah, your IP, your wireless IP 192. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, just copy paste it there. When you have selected it, then it is already copied to your clipboard. No need to like manually copy.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Save.
Now save and activate configuration.
Okay.
Activate changes. Perfect. You need to restart manage admin server. You can stop it from here.
Stop the admin server.
Yes. Restart admin server. Stop it from the control tab.
Restart SSL.
No. Shut down.
Port shutdown.
Yes. So wait for some time. Now go to the terminal and restart it from there.
From base domain.
Green.
Yes, right.
ट्याब युज गर्नु पर्यो नि त ठ्याक्क अमितले भनेको खै युज गर्दैन
ठिक रह्यो मलाई ट्याब युज गरेर राम्रो होइन राइटिङ गर्छ कीबोर्ड नहेरिकन ढङ्गले हान्दा पनि सक्छ
म उता प्रोफेसनल भन्दा
Have you restarted from terminal?
Yeah, I did. See? Oh, it says.
Can you go there?
Disable.
No. Go to the terminal. Okay. Okay. Go to the console.
Okay.
Now instead of localhost, give your IP because we changed the listen address, right? And we have changed it so that your admin server is accessible from Amit's machine because previously it was listening on your local address which was not accessible to Amit. So that's why we have changed it.
Okay.
Because Amit has also the same address 127.0.0.1 configured in his machine. So we need a unique IP. So see, it is available.
All right.
So Amit one is currently in shutdown state. Now go. Let me make the Amit the presenter.
Okay.
Amit, can you share your screen?
Enter गरेको छैन के चाहिँ
So you cannot share the screen. It's not coming your request.
Okay.
Yep. Now go to the terminal.
So exit from this VI. We were doing VI earlier. VI.
Yeah, you can exit from VI.
So I have just escape and
Control
then
C. Control C.
Escape and colon Q.
VI भी गए रहेछ नि तर VI के start admit
Yeah.
Now?
LS-LRT.
अमित वन देखेको थियो र अब गऱ्यो नि त ./ start
Vinod, can you ping the console URL to in the chat?
what is it
The console URL, whatever you have open in Google Chrome.
Address.
192
And Amit, you run the command /start managed weblogic.sh, then space.
आइहाल्यो
No, in terminal itself.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, in terminal, go to terminal.
Okay, terminal start
Managed weblogic.sh.
So he doesn't need that URL.
Yeah, we will need that. But first,
No.
start managed weblogic.sh, then space, then the name of the managed server, which is Amit1, A caps, Amit1,
space
space the console URL, which is http till only 7001. Or you can use even T3 as well.
HTTP हटाएर T3
Yeah, use T3.
//
Yeah, 92.168.
192.
.168.0.23
Yeah, and colon 7001.
7001
Perfect.
That's it.
Yeah.
Enter, run it.
Wait, actually I'm not able to see your screen. It's updating. Yeah, press enter.
And he has not set up the boot. Okay.
Okay, so it's asking for username. Give the credentials which we set it up earlier at Binod's machine.
Weblogic, right?
I think L was capital, right, Binod?
No, it was small letter. Weblogic.
Whose password? Your password or my password?
Is he asking my password?
Yeah, your credentials, like which you just used when you logged into console right now.
81. Yes. YA JA GA
Zebra.
Z A KI 1 2 3. Interval.
So right now we have not yet set up the boot.properties, but later on we are just restarting it for the first time. So that's why we have started it with this. After this, you can set up the boot.properties and you can write a custom script like we did in last session, last session where we created custom scripts and like where we used nohup and ampersand sign. So you can create so that you can run it from background. So it's up and running now. See we gave it 8001 port. So your server started in running mode without any issues. Now just stay here. Let me give presenting rights to Vinod. Vinod, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, now go to the Weblogic console and refresh the status.
तिम्रो रनिङ बुक देखाइयो
Oh, I'm still not able to see console.
Yeah, it's running now.
So Amit one is status is running. So this server is not on your machine, right?
Yeah.
It is running on
My machine.
no.
No,
Amit one is not running on your machine. It is running on Amit's machine, right?
Okay.
So that is like it's now a distributed environment. Previously it was a localized environment. Now it is a distributed environment. Why it is distributed? Because it is distributed among two physical servers. So it is distributed on your machine, and it is one managed server is distributed on Amit's machine. Okay, so even if right now you shut down your machine and your machine is not available, the app will be available from Amit one. You can try one thing, go to deployments. Go to the first deployment.
Okay.
Then go to targets. Now lock and edit.
Hold on. Are you talking about I gotta go from server?
No. Go to deployments.
There is no target.
No. Go to deployments.
go to one of the application.
Yeah, the first application which is active. Go inside that.
Lock and edit.
Amit one is ready to
Go to targets. Now lock and edit.
select the Amit one.
Select Amit one, which we just created some time back.
Okay.
Activate the changes. And Amit, you can see the logs at your end, so they will be updating that okay, deploying this application on this server, right?
Console.
Not console.
In terminal,
terminal?
Amit, you must be seeing some logs in your terminal that okay, this application is deploying here.
Not yet.
It is still in the running mode at the bottom of the server.
Go to deployments tab.
For me?
Yeah, Binod.
Go to deployment where?
Deployments. Summary of deployments.
Summary?
You can there is a deployments in the left side domain structure, like from where we go to our deployment. Yeah, this one. So it is active now. So you can open a new tab.
For me?
Yeah, for Binod.
Now what?
Now run the same application. You might have the link from yesterday.
Okay. /.
No, you might have from the Localhost. With localhost, you will have the details.
Localhost. I don't need to put the new one.
Yeah, you can copy it from the localhost URL. We just want to copy it right now. So just write the name of that. Okay, yeah. Try to hit. Yeah. Now change the localhost with the IP of Amit's PC.
192, right?
168.0.23. I guess Amit is 21, right? No. Amit is 21.
So I gotta put 21?
Yes, 21 and 8001. Port is 8001.
Oh.
Enter. See. You are accessing this page from your machine, but it is running on Amit's machine.
Mm-hmm.
And the log status hasn't changed in Amit's terminal as well.
Now let me make Amit the presenter. Amit is the presenter now. Amit, can you share screen? Okay, Amit, can you open a new tab? New terminal window.
New terminal?
Yeah. But don't close this one, just open a new one.
Open what? Google?
Yeah, right. Now go to your domain path.
What was that?
Oracle.
Yeah, Oracle, middleware.
User project.
Middleware is council.
User project.
Underscore project.
Yeah, underscore project.
Oh, 100 is there.
Projects.
Slash domains.
T capital T.
Capital B.
Good.
Next one.
This domain.
This underscore domain.
Oh.
Bin. LS7.
Right. Fine.
त्यसो गरेर अब है ल अब स्ट्रास हान्नु पर्छ नि त बिङको पछाडि
Can you PWD? PWD?
PWD. Efficient.
ए आउट नोटबुकमा
Okay. I guess domains. D is not capital in domains.
ए यता टाइप गरे ब्याङ्क
Tag those. Are you saying?
इन्टर
New intelligent.
हुन्छ
Go one directory back.
One directory back.
ठिकै छ नि
Go to servers. CD servers.
मेरो चलाएर हो कि
LSFNLRT.
यो सबै छैन
Go to Amit 1.
त्यो भित्र गएर
CD logs.
के हो रे यसमा
CD logs. LSFNLRT. Now you can tail Amit1.log.
Tail.
Yeah.
LS7 log one.
tail भनेपछि के हुन्छ?
Tail shows you the last 10 lines of any file. Enter.
Amit1.logs.
Yeah.
So that means you already know that what information you need is from the in the 10 line from the bottom. Yes, so you.
Yes. So here we can see that the application logs are updating. So we are seeing that JSP servlet is initialized, JSP is working. So our application is active here. We are just seeing, so here you can see the logs for any application server. So you need to go to servers, then logs location to check the logs.
If there is an error, we can see it here.
Yeah, it will be visible here only. So we need to check that error and troubleshoot accordingly. So right now we don't see any errors here, we are good. And we have successfully created an distributed environment. So one of the managed server is running on different physical server, and our other managed server and admin servers are on different application servers. So admin is running on Vinod, and some of the managed servers are on Vinod server, but our one managed server is running on Amit server. So I will make, but this setup will not work tomorrow because you guys will restart your machines, then your IP will change. So this thing will not work tomorrow, but in production environment, once you set the IP, it remains the same. So that's why it keeps working there all the time.
Okay.
So, but still, Amit can see the Amit1 managed server in its console or not?
Amit don't have any admin server right now. The admin server is present on Vinod's machine, so only Vinod can see the admin server. But yeah,
I'm talking the managed server, the Amit1 managed server.
Yeah, he can restart, because even if Vinod's machine is not available, or because if Vinod shuts down his Ubuntu machine, then admin server will go down, and when admin server goes down, the Amit one will come into managed independence mode, MSI mode, which we learned yesterday. So even if Vinod's physical server is down, we will be able to access our application by using Amit's managed server, which is Amit1.
So if Vinod starts admin server in his ROM, can Amit be able to start Amit1 server from his home or not?
Yeah, if admin server, because he is connecting to admin server of Vinod only. It's in the same domain. It is part of the same domain. It's same family. It's not different family. They are like part of the same family, but living under different houses.
But for this to access with each other, you need to have a same IP address. So you got to stay in the same roof, right?
Not same IP address. Here we have different IP addresses. Amit is .21 and you are .23.
Oh, okay. Right. Does that mean that Amit can access everything from his home later if we try to do this step?
You guys have to be on the same network.
Oh, okay. It has to be on the same network, but it's going to be a different IP for you.
Yeah, it will be different IP. If it is same IP, then it is the same server. You cannot have in a one network, you cannot have servers with same IPs.
What is the purpose of doing this? So if one server is down, it will be still running from another machine?
Yeah, actually, see, previously when we didn't configure on Amit server, we were running the application only from Binod server, right? So if Binod server is down due to some issues, Binod server is not available, so your hard disk crashes and you are not able to restart your Ubuntu, then application is completely down for user, right?
Yeah.
But right now, even if Binod's machine crashes, users will be able to access the application from Amit server. So it's not dependent on only one server. So there is not one single point of failure. So now there are, that's why we have created a distributed environment, and it is part of the same domain.
So that means this lesson we did today is very important in our real scenario, right?
Right, because even like I learned it in like 2 years only, after like personally learning it from like Oracle website and after like further experimenting with it.
Mm-hmm.
Because
So
even
if we
I
go
was doing it wrong for like 1.5 years.
So if we go to a company, then the first thing we have to do is link our machine with other like a Weblogic admin machine, right? So the application will be keep
Right.
running.
That is the most common thing you will be doing.
So
Because
if we don't
definitely in production environment you will be having different servers. You need to maintain high availability, so that is the purpose of like production. Your application should be available all the time. So you have to maintain high availability by distributing your application onto different physical servers.
But doesn't it, isn't it the same thing like this and the cluster? Like even we use the cluster for the application, it's the same thing, right? Even my machine shut down, goes down, then the cluster will, you know, like access the application logs and, you know, and run it from.
Exactly. And the first step for that is, in your cluster, the managed servers should be on different machines. That is an recommended way. So this is the first step which we took for creating a cluster. So maybe when we go into clustering, we will create a cluster of Amit's managed server and the managed server at your end. So we will see how that works when we learn more about clustering.
Oh, okay. So you can just
yeah, but the first step is what we did today. So definitely you will need to create a distributed environment. Then only you can create a cluster. Because there is no point you are creating a cluster on the same physical server, and if that physical server crashes or is down, then what is the point of cluster?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I got you.
So you have to have your application available from different physical servers.
I got it.
So all these steps, what we did today, are in your slides or not? In a lot of things we did today, but I already forgot it. You know.
Yeah, you can see the slide. It's open there.
So Anush,
yeah.
What this is like if we follow the steps, I think this is not that hard, right?
Yeah, it's not that hard. So as like the more you practice it, the more easier it will become.
So is there any way like the way I wrote it, like in last class, you know, in my note, like all the steps?
Okay.
Do you think you can send us an email writing steps how to do it? So without you, we'll try to do it on our own, like some other time.
The steps are already there in the slide. Can you go to the slide, Amit?
But once we close this like a session, then the slide won't be available for us, right?
No, you will be having always the slide. You can download the slide. You can keep it with you. Who do have Amit? Do you have the slide open, or is it Vinod? I think it is Vinod. Let me make him the presenter.
I'm opening the camera.
Google Drive. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, Amit, can you share the slide?
My slides?
Yeah, the slide. We had slide open somewhere, I guess. In video updates.
Oh, the slide.
Yeah.
Okay. What is it?
In video updates. See, this is the it already has all the steps which we did. So first we need to pack and then unpack at the destination.
Because like I miss
The slides, I mean, all the steps are on the slide.
Actually, there are only two main steps. The first step is to create the jar file, and then the unpack command is also mentioned. So these are the only two commands which we have used, and then we only SFTP'd the jar file to the different server and unpacked it there using this. And the startup script we have already discussed, like how to start the managed server, so that we already know.
So with the help of the video and the slide, we are able to do by ourselves?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try.
But actually for today's, like, since you guys are on like different network Wi-Fi and your IPs are changing, so that's why we had little trouble to like change the admin server listen address and all, and then connect it via in different way. But in like normal scenario, you will be having like the IP and everything will be static, so you will not be having that much of an issue which we face.
I think we'll try to do this again on our own, and if there's some confusion, then we'll ask in our next class.
Sure. You can do from the scratch, and
Right now,
probably you can try with Sahdev. So you can create one managed server on Sahdev as well, just like what we did on Amit. And if you face any issue, you can refer this video and you can ask me if like there are any further steps. I will try to make some. I will add more steps in this as well, so that you don't face any.
So you do the video today or tomorrow? This video.
Actually, it takes around 2 to 3 hours to encode the video. So I will go to sleep now, and in the meantime, this video will be encoded. So once I wake up in the morning, I will upload it.
Okay, we will practice during the weekend. So.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, no rush right now. You have a good sleep, you know.
Yeah, it's quite late here now. It's around 1:30 a.m. So.
Yeah. So I think this is the end session for today, right?
Yeah, we will wrap up it for today because it wasn't like long thing, and it is a like quite interesting part and quite important part as well. So that's why I have focused more on this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So okay, we will close for today, and we will proceed with the further further topics tomorrow at the same time.
Okay. Anuj, thank you very much for the cooperation.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, guys. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.
Good night.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye.
Google Drive